Meet the OSC-8 PRO, the newest pendulum oscillator with a built-in LED display. Ergonomic control panel with easy-to-use knobs to adjust 4 key welding parameters and real-time digital feedback on LED display. It supports triangle and trapezoid weld paths, optionally square and triangle with dwell times at both ends, offering maximum flexibility for a wide range of welding processes. This versatile device can be integrated with welding tractors, column and booms, positioners, freestanding support, and other welding systems. The OSC-8 PRO Pendulum Oscillator is suitable for use in a number of welding positions. Performs vertical fillet welding, horizontal fillet, overhead, and horizontal butt welding. Perfect for pipes, flanges, vessels, fittings, and more. The main features of the OSC-8 PRO are ergonomic control panel with 4 knobs, adjustable parameters, oscillation width, speed, and dwell time at both ends, digital LED display, precise setting and reading parameters, also safety and diagnostic information, 2 control modes, manual and external start, lightweight and compact design, handy for integration into advanced welding systems. The OSC-8 PRO enables the configuration of advanced welding systems with welding tractors, positioners, gantry systems, column and booms, freestanding supports, and so on. Depending on the system configuration and the OSC-8 PRO manual or external operating mode, different weld path curves can be obtained.